The beautiful things about the Tesla Model Y is this big, beautiful sunroof, or cloud roof as it might be. And that's really great. However, here in Florida, I'm not sure that's going to be the best thing all the time. So I bought something and I'll see how it works and I'll let you know. So arrived and delivered to my garage is this vehicle sunroof sunshade. So here it is, and I'm going to open it up and let's take a look and see how it is. That big piece there, my back, okay. That's one piece. My front. Oh, okay, so one's the front and one's the back. Here, obviously, is the shade. Okay. I see 0 instructions. This is the Y back, the Y front. And this has I think clips to hook in there and Velcro. Okay. Okay, so the front should be there. And there's a little bag of gloves, a couple screws, and a tiny, tiny little Phillips screwdriver. But no instructions. Okay, I found no instructions, but what I do is a little bit of study to see that this slips like this, okay? This has the curve like this, and one must be the front and one must be the back, so that's got to go like this. And it has 2 rods. So one rod says the back and one says the front. So I'm thinking that this is going to go up here like this, and these clips are going to slide in underneath, and then these screws here are going to hold this together. So we're going to try that. So essentially, let's see, okay, this is going to be, okay, it's got to be like this, and that's the back, like this on the back, and like that in the front. So let's try to get these in. Then that cover will cover everything over. Okay, I'm going to take this, slide that in over there, and then work on this side here and there. You know, that's simple enough if that's the way it goes. Okay, we'll try that in the back now. Hook that in there and in there. Let's see how that works. After attempting to install this, I realized I missed something, and that is there's these little bolts that need to fasten at the pivot point, the black pivot point, and once I bolt them together, it will be rigid. Otherwise, it was folding in half as I was trying to install it, and that didn't work very good. At least it doesn't fold up on me this time. So you better take all 4 of these screws out, so when you put it up you have them handy. So now the screws are out. Get the screws back up in there. That one started. Another one. Oh yeah, I had to drop the screw. But there were 2 extra screws. Maybe that was for me. Okay. You can see I used the foam packing to support the back so that it was held up, and that really gave me the extra hands that I needed to install this by myself. I see why the extra bolts, because you might drop some. So we'll tighten everything up.
Okay,
I need to kind of balance this up here. I think these gloves were made for Chinese tiny hands, not American hands. So, okay. So, how am I doing here? I think I want to go like that. And just have this here so I can slide that back. It's probably about right. That should be in there. That should be there. So here's what I came up with. The final install. Go back to there. Okay. And I put the seat back. Magnetic cutout. Now I do hope that that wrinkle gets out, because they ship it folded and it's a little bit there. So I'll let you know how this comes out later. But other than that, not too bad. Little bit different shade. Maybe this should be front just a little bit, I think. So I'm going to reposition this front a little bit and then I'll be done. Okay everyone, off with the white gloves, and we have the install. Okay, not too bad. I hope that that little wrinkle will come out with time, because that's the way it's shipped. But it does slide down nicely and open, and that really should cut down too much the heat. I still have 5'8", and I got about 3 inches of headroom. So if you need that extra 2 inches of headroom, then probably not for you. Okay, but it seems to work fine, and I'll let you know my experience.